Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have another plan with me video for you guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and get started. I'm trying to make these videos as short as possible, but they're just like not really working out. Like they don't want to be short, guys. I don't know. If you could see here, I already have a Father's Day thing here. If you are subscribed to my email list, which I will have a link down below in case you're not, but this was a freebie for the past week, so that you could input it into a planner, you could print it, you could make an embellishment out of it, you could make a sticker out of it. There was that one, the one that said Father's Day, and also one that said Happy Father's Day, in case you also wanted to make a card out of it. So you just had options. I here am just writing down the days, and then right after that we are going to, oh, that was an ugly 13, guys. Okay, so right after that I'm going to put in my weather stickers, and you guys know that I like to color mine in. That's not something you gotta do though. Alright, so I am going into my weather stickers right here. I know that we have a rain on Monday, and I'm going to select that, click copy, and I know, oops. Alright, so I know we got rain on Monday, so I'm just going to put this sticker right there. Alright, Tuesday, Friday, and Saturday we got, oops, I cut that. We got partly cloudy, so that's Tuesday. And then on Wednesday and Sunday, we just have cloudy. This is a pretty ugly weather week, guys. Here I am just going to use my highlight tool, and I'm going to color in all of my clouds. So I color my clouds blue. Like this one is, since it has rain, we're going to come back there after, and we're also going to color some gray over it. And I just do that because like when it's like a rain cloud, they're normally gray, and so I just want to make it look more real. Obviously, you see, I don't really care how I'm coloring this in. Once you zoom back out, you can't really tell. Just gonna color in using the gray on top of this, so it kind of looks like a blue gray. Here we need a little bit of yellow, so I'm gonna color this in yellow. You guys know my next steps are to color all of these top layers green. So I'm going to, select a green. We're going to color them. Nothing too crazy. Doesn't got to be perfect. Then I take this thing and make the line thickness a little thicker. And I'm going to write teaching. Okay, then I'm just going to select that with the handwriting on. And I'm just going to copy and paste this. My middle section is normally pink. If you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you guys already know this. So I feel like I'm just kind of like rushing through this, but at the same time, if you watch my videos like every week, then you know. And you can always go back, and if you haven't seen any videos, and just watch them, and then kind of just, catch up, I guess, on my videos. But I'm just doing the same thing over and over again, so I'm not really telling you guys like what I am doing specifically. I'm just like doing my own thing kind of right now. It should be, I think, like I don't know, I would say like an easier week. I'm not really sure. I don't even know what I'm doing for Father's Day. But by the time you guys see this video, Father's Day will be over already. Actually, I just realized I don't need this one. I don't need the hustle here. This one has to be a to-do. But yeah, I don't know what I'm doing for Father's Day yet. But by the time you guys see this video, it's over. So please let me know in the comments, what did you do for Father's Day? How did you guys celebrate? Because I feel like I always need ideas. I made a card already, so you guys could check that out on a previous video. So I made a card, but I don't know, I feel like every year I struggle in knowing what to do on Father's Day. So tell me what you guys did so that next year I could refer back to this video, and then I will know and get some ideas on what I can do. And you guys could do the same thing. You guys could refer back to the video, look at the comments. So please, let's make these comment section useful for us for next year. This week I am going to write giveaway on the side here, and I'm just doing this so I could write down like what my ideas are for future giveaways and what I was thinking of giving away. I think I'm going to give away the summer bucket list, but I'm not entirely sure. But then another idea that I have, so here actually I'm going to select that tool because it's going to make me a straight square, and I want a checklist. But I'm thinking maybe next week or something I could do, I don't know, maybe my 20 subject notebook that I just came out with. So I'm going to put that here. I don't know, we're just going to town today with some colors. Alright, kind of rainbow, kind of not. Also down here, I'm going to write down goals. What are your goals this week, actually? My goals are to finish some sticky notes that I wanted to create for you guys. So that is my goal. And to change at least one of my kits, sticker kits, digital, that I have into pre-crop stickers. So not all of them are pre-cropped yet. That's something I learned a little later on, so I want to work on converting them to pre-cropped. Alright, so first thing here, I need to write here to write my paper. But then I'm gonna get my sticker, and this is what I started with, the pre-cropped, but I haven't gotten to the class one yet. So, old version, you highlight what you want. Okay, you're gonna click take screenshot, this up arrow, click copy, and then you want to just paste it in here. And I'm gonna paste this onto Tuesday. Okay, so I just put in my 3 class stickers and I wrote online 5 to 8:10 p.m. We're gonna go back to my sticker kit here, and I'm gonna copy this paper sticker down here that says paper due. That's gonna go back here on to Tuesday because my paper is due, even though I already completed it. But you know what? My paper is still due that day, so just cropping it here a little bit. Now the good thing with pre-crop stickers is that all that's going to be done for you. There's not going to be really like the extra white space or anything. So I'm also going to try and leave some space for my readings. So for the reading, we'll use the green one. So take screenshot, same thing, same idea, copy and paste. Okay, I'm going to go back to my sticker kit and I'm going to look for my meeting sticker. Where's my meeting? Of course, I didn't do this one yet either. And I'm going to paste this onto Monday and Wednesday. Okay, then for Tuesday, I'm just going to write no kids. It's a clerical day, so I don't really know what is planned, but I know there's no kids. So then I'm going to need this checklist, so I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to paste this. Actually, I think I'm just going to paste, well, I know on Monday I just have like a lot of other stuff where I want to put in some stickers, so I'm going to paste some into here, and we'll delete whatever I don't need. But I kind of like just to add more checklists than I actually need, because I'm always like adding stuff to my planner throughout the day. Okay, so I'm going to copy that, and I'm just going to paste these everywhere right now. Okay, down here I'm also adding in the checklist, but this first one for all of them is going to say water plants. So then I'm going to highlight that whole entire thing and then paste that all throughout the bottom section. Okay, then I'm just going to start adding in some of my checklists, and I will be right back with you guys. Okay guys, so I'm back. I filled in most of my checklist. I have like some other things I wanted to put in. So I know on Friday to Saturday I am sleeping over my friend's house, so here I'm just going to use the highlighting tool and the thin line. Actually, you know what? Let's not use the highlighting tool. Let's use like a dark pink, and we'll use, I don't know, like a thicker line. and I'm going to select that shape tool, and here I'm just going to make an arrow. So I'm going to make my lines. Okay guys, adding some color using the highlighting tool. You guys know I've been really into color, and I don't know, I've been like in that phase. Like sometimes I like black and white, and that's what my planning looked like before, but right now I'm into color. Here I'm just gonna write sleepover, because I'm sleeping over my friend's house, because we have to be at orientation on Saturday morning, which is something else I gotta put in here. So I'm gonna, I also forgot to put events up here, so let's do that. So I'm just gonna write events. Here I have the orientation, so I'm just gonna write 6th grade, and then I'm gonna write orientation. Okay, not the prettiest of things, but I'm doing this quickly. Here I just wanted to add in some stickers, including like filming stickers, because you know I normally film my videos. Okay, so I'm going to grab these pink stickers, this Etsy sticker, this meal prep sticker down here, and then I'm going to grab those. Okay, so going back to my June. Oops, wrong week. Okay, so I'm going to paste those all down here. We got a whole bunch of stickers. I have Etsy orders that I need to work on Monday. Actually, let me get rid of this one first. Okay, so this meal prep sticker is going to go here. So meal prep goes there on Sunday. My Etsy order sticker is going to go here. Just moving him down. Actually, hold on. I have a video that's going live. Okay, so this one will go down here. My edit sticker and my upload sticker will go in these boxes. Okay guys, and I think that's it for this week's Plan With Me video. Super simple. This did not take me like too long at all. Very easy like stuff. I will fill in like what I have to read. I just have to go through my syllabus, and I just don't want to waste time. But basically it's all in here because I have my syllabus on here as well. But I will just put that in later so I know what I have to read. Not going to waste any more time in this Plan With Me video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this Plan With Me video. Please don't forget to click that red subscribe button down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!